everybody, this is Travis, and I'd like to welcome you back to, or if this is your first time here, welcome you to Razor Garage. Now, as you can see, I'm laying on the trailer. I got hooked up to the truck and got the Razor sitting over there back yonder. I'm about to load it up. I just wanted to do a quick video because I found this, I completely accidentally found this product that I seen on another trailer at a place I was riding. Me and my wife came back to the truck for lunch, and I was looking at the trailer beside us, and he had these on his trailer, and I was like, wow, those are really tricks. So, you know, it just happened that he came back for lunch just a couple minutes after we got back, and I spoke to the fella, really nice guy. I asked him if they came on the trailer or if it was something that he bought, and his wife said that she got them on Amazon. Now I'll put a link in the description below for these, but I just wanted to show you how easy, how convenient they are to use, how nice. After I load up, I'll move the camera and zoom you in so you can see this here cargo buckle in action and see just how easy they are to use, as opposed to using ratchet straps and tie downs and you know, the old go-to, the old standard. So I'm going to fire that up and load it up here, and I'll show you how quick these are, and they're just as quick as you'll see. Now I loaded up. Now this is going to take me a couple minutes longer because I'm doing a video for y'all. But as you can see, I have it loaded up just where I put it. Now we'll move the camera so you can see. Okay, now we've moved. Now I said that they're real quick, real easy to use. Just take them. They're self-retracting, so you don't have to mess with nothing. You just grab it, pull out what you need, hook it where you like to hook. Do the same over there. Squeeze your thing. It works just like a regular ratchet tie down, but it's all in one unit. You ain't got to mess with nothing. And you pull one up tight, the other one automatically takes the slack out of it. So all you have to do, lock that down, make sure the other one's still tight, and now we'll go to the back. And it's the same deal. Just ratchet down till it's tight, push that down and lock it. Nice and tight. And nice and tight. They're all tight. Lift your ramp and you're ready to go. And there you are. It's just that quick, that easy. Loading up, unloading, just do the reverse. You just squeeze your tab. Here, we'll do that again. I'm not going to unload it because I am going riding. So load it up, tied down, and we just do it in reverse. I'll unlock this one so you can see. Hold the camera, squeeze your unlocking mechanism, lift it up the whole way, and just unhook it, and wash, rinse, and repeat for all the rest of them. Get that on there. And lock it down after you get it tight. Push it the whole way down. Check your other strap. It's locked. And there you go. Now you're ready for a fun day of side-by-side adventuring. Your choice of adventure is up to you. But like I said at the beginning, I found these just by chance. The guy parked next to us had them, and he was a nice guy and shared all their information. I hopped on Amazon when I got home that night, and I ordered 4 of these. I don't remember right now, as I'm making the video, what they cost, but I'll put a like I said, I'll put an Amazon link in the description below, and then you'll be able to see the price there. But I thought they were extremely reasonable for what they are, and I'm not paid. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Nobody gives me any money to say anything. Nobody gave me these products. I go to work every day just like you do, and I pay for everything out of my own pocket. But I found something that's really nice and I wanted to share it with you. And maybe you think it's nice, a good idea, maybe you don't. That's entirely up to you. But that's a lot quicker than messing with tie downs and ratchet straps, hooking it, pulling it. You know, all that. This, you just grab and go. Pretty much just grab and go, and you're done, and you're ready to pull out. And y'all have a good day, and I'll see you later, or maybe I'll see you out on the trail. Speaking of that, I was riding last weekend. Me and my wife was at local club here we have in my area, Tri-County Recreation and Rescue. It's a good club. Got a lot of trails. It's someplace that, you know, it's not too far for me to go. It takes about an hour to get there. But we stopped and was talking to this feller, and he's like, "Oh, your voice sounds familiar." He says, "Are you the guy that made the GPS video?" And I took my helmet off and I smiled and I said, "Yes, I am." You know, it was nice to actually meet somebody that watches the videos for real, not just people at work saying, "Oh, hey, I hear you do videos and blah blah and this and that," and you know, that's just uncomfortable work. But meeting real people out in the real world that actually find the videos and watch them, that was pretty cool. And he was an older gentleman. Of course, I'm not a spring chicken anymore myself, but he was probably slightly older than me, and I believe his name was Jimmy. So I'd like to say hi, Jimmy. You know who you are, and it was very nice to meet you. I'm happy you watched the videos, happy you like, and that goes for everybody. Thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I'll see you all out on the trail, possibly. And I'm out.